Hi, it's Alex from alex-goddard.com, and today I want to show you how to put a image onto your sidebar of your WordPress blog and make it clickable to go through to wherever you want it to go, i.e. an offer, a product, or whatever you want to put on there to make it clickable to go through to your offer or product or free giveaway or anything you want to. Anyway, what we need to do first is to get ourselves a banner, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the BB's banner because it's nice and easy to see, and why not promote BB's because it's a great business. First, what we want to do is to take this banner or any banner you want on to your desktop. This is the way I do it. I think you could do it in the back office of WordPress. If you right click, I'm not on an Apple Mac, I'm on PC, and click edit and it'll bring it into Paint. What you then have to do is to go into resize and click on pixels, and I want this particular one, particular image to be 280. I've done my research on what size I need to do it. To put the size on the actual particular WordPress blog. So I want to go 280. So click on 280 and OK. And click on this little drop down menu here. It brings Save As. And I'm going to save this as Banners Brokers. Broker, and click on save, and that will go onto my desktop. I'm going to go and get that. Here it is here. No, actually this isn't it. I'm going to drag that over onto the bin and bring this one into play here. Okay, now we've got our image, which is 280 wide, as you can see on the information here, 280 by 274. Yeah, that's fine. Then what we want to do next is to go over to our WordPress dashboard like this, and we need to then, this is the way I do it, you may find a different way. Click on Pages and Add New. What we then need to do is to give this a title, so we call it Banners Broker image, or say clickable image. The image, it's not probably not how you spell it. Oh, let's not do that. Just call it Banners Brokers image. I don't think that's how you spell that either. Let's just spell check it just to get it right. Okay, we've got image now. We get there in the end. Right, so now we need to go and get our image. So what we do is we click on this little icon here to upload our image onto our actual server where our WordPress is. So I'm going to get it from computer. So we click on From Computer. Okay, and select Files. And I need to go for my desk. Bring that down so you can see. Click on the desktop and go and find that image. There's my image, Banners Brokers. If we left click on that, and that will load it into our file, and click on Open, and this will actually download it onto our server. Right, here it is, down into our WordPress onto our server. Title needs to be Banners Broker. The alt text, which the search engines will see within the text, because search engines don't see pictures, it only sees actually words, keywords and writing. I'm going to put banners brokers again. Banners broker. And here you can put a description for a bit of SEO. This is where you want to put the forwarding link to wherever you want it to go. Well, I want it to go, let's delete that. I want this when you click on this banner, I want it to go to the banner's website. So my link, I've got my link masked with a domain which is alexg as broker, okay, .com. This must have an HTTP in front of it to make it clickable. HTTP : I don't think you have to put www, but I'm going to put it anyway. www. I think it will just get rid of that anyway. Have a look down here. I'm going to centralize it because I want it to sit in the sidebar central. So we click on center. You can see the size is 280 by 274. What we also need to do now is to insert into post, which there it is in our WordPress in a WordPress dashboard WYSIWYG. If you right click this and click on this little picture here, it will bring up back to this window. Click on Advanced Settings and scroll to the bottom, and you'll see this little link here, Open Link in New Window. So you want to check that box. So when it's on your sidebar and people click on it, it will actually leave your blog where it is and open up another window with the forwarding URL where it's going to go to in. So we need to click on Update. Okay, and we've got our image, which should be now clickable, but we will test it by bringing up. How do I get there? Right, okay, here it is. By bringing up this, and it should be on here. I haven't published it. Okay, let's go back and publish it. So if we publish, we've got Banners Brokers image here. Okay, we'll go back to the site where it's going to be on, the test site, and it's not there. Okay. So there'll be a solution here. Let's have a look. Public, yes. Update, yes. Let's drop that down. Visual, we're on visual. We've published the image. View on page. Let's go to view on page. Okay, we've got view on page. Now if we click this image, it should go to my Banners Broker site. Open up a new window and go to my Banners Broker site. If it doesn't, then you need to go back and edit it, and I'll show you if it doesn't click. Let's click it now. Okay, that's correct. That goes through to
Banners Broker,
to my
an innovative way to increase traffic
to my
your
site.
website.
Let's go back to dashboard and go to pages, and within pages it should have Banners Brokers image. Go to edit. If it doesn't work, then just right click here, go to this little picture here icon, and this is where you need to put the forwarding URL. It's where you want this banner. When someone clicks on it, it goes to this URL, okay, which is alexgbannersbrokers.com. Click on Update. Now what we need to do now, update. Okay, we can cross this out now. Okay, we've got it. This is what we need now. What we need to do now is to go over to here where it says visual and HTML. Click on the HTML code, and this is the code you need to put into the sidebar, a widget into the sidebar. Okay, if you get what I'm saying. So what we need to do now is to go back to, let's think. I've got to think now. This is my site where it's going to appear. What we need to do now is bring up a Word document, not a Word document, a text document. Let me go off here. New text document. Click it open. Right, I'm going to bring it into view. And what I need to do now is grab that code here. You can either highlight it, right click, and copy. Let's bring that up again. Yes. And then paste it into, you can right click and paste. And that's our code we need to go into a widget. Okay, I'm going to pull that off the screen. What we need to do now is to go into Appearance over here and click on Appearance and go over to Widgets, click on Widget. What we then need to do is to go scroll down to all of our widgets and get a text widget. Bring it up, left click on it, bring it up and pop it into the main sidebar, which should be open. I'm going to drop it there. That hasn't opened. So what I need to do is open it up. Go and get my text widget again and bring it into the sidebar, main sidebar. That's where it opens up. Now I'm going to put, for demonstration purposes, you can put whatever you like, just banners brokers. Okay, I know what that is. Now I need to go and get my code from here, from my Word notepad. So copy that, right click and copy. I don't need, I'm going to just drop this down to my bar. I need to left click there and right click and paste. And this is our code, what will show on the sidebar of our website. So you must remember to click on save. Okay, now we go over to our site, just here, and click on refresh, and it should be in there. And here it is in there. It's got the title, Banners Brokers, and when you click on here, it will take us through to our forwarding address, which is
Welcome to
Banners
Banners
Brokers.
Brokers.
And
also,
also,
a way to increase traffic to your website. Does your site stand out from others?
so
How do you get your
silence that? And it also opens up in the new window. So you've got your clickable link and your new window here. Very simple. Also, basically, this video is for Alan Ramplin from the Manchester area, who joined me on the Six Figure Mentors. This is the webcam. I said it's pretty clear, as you can see. It's a HD. Let me read it out. It's a Logitech HD Pro webcam C920. I can't remember how much it costs. I'll put the link. I'll put a link below this video for Amazon. I bought it from Amazon. I put the link for Amazon there, so you can check it out. Also, I use a Blue Yeti normally, but I thought just as a demonstration, I use the mic from the webcam. So this is basically the mic from the webcam. So you guys, I hope that helps you out, Alan. There was actually some other questions which I'm not sure about. Let's have a look. Okay, I'll answer all these questions. It's a script. The share and the share image. What is on the side of here? I'm not too sure how to put this onto the My Network, the My Network system down just here. It must be something in the dashboard. Let's go and have a quick look in the dashboard. Okay, that's not it. Let's go to the dashboard. I did notice there was something down here. Tools, tools, I think maybe tools. No, settings. Right, share and follow. Let's do that now, shall we? If we click on share and follow, it will bring up this sidebar. Okay, so if we scroll down, the way you can do this, if I can remember, I haven't done it for a long time. The size of the posts. I think this first one is the small icons which go at the bottom of your posts, and this is the following side, top and bottom. So I think this is actual. I think this is the actual one. Right tab location. Yeah, this is the one. So here you can actually add what you actually want in that sidebar. So if we go back to not to the banners brokers, that one. If we go back to here, no, not here. Where is it? It's probably here. Okay, when you just want things to work, they don't. Okay, I think I've actually cancelled it. But anyway, it will load up. It will load up in this sidebar. So what we'll do now, if I do the Twitter one, then you can work out the Facebook and the YouTube ones. Let's find Twitter. Here's Twitter. Now I know my username. It says tweet me, and also this is where I put my my tweet. What have I put in here? Location, destination. Let's do Facebook. I'll do Facebook. Let's do Facebook, and I'll go and get my link. We'll do Facebook. I'll go just pop off and get my link now. I can't remember my URL. Okay, right, your URL, just go to your Facebook wall, and in the URL bar, up right at the top, just copy. Let me drag that down. This is my Facebook. In the URL bar here, just copy and paste that URL. You can either right click and copy. Okay, we'll pop that down when it wants to go. Find Facebook again. We've checked Facebook, so we left click here and right click and paste our URL in here. We go to the bottom and we update settings. Right, now when we go over to our website, which is this one, yeah, we should have, okay, let's have another go. Dashboard, my sites, site. Right, if you click on here, it should go back to our website. Okay, you see we have this screen, this follow and share button here. If you click on it, it will take you through to your Facebook, and that applies for your YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Twitter, and whatever one you want down the side here. You can have a play around with the rest of it, and you should be absolutely fine. I hope that helps you out, Alan, who this is for. So we've got our clickable link, and yes, this is good. It works good. I hope that helps out, mate. It's reasonably centered. You have to play around. If you right click and page info, no, not page info, image info, that will be the size. So find out by going onto your blog, right click in for image info, you'll come up with 280 by whatever you want lengthwise. So you can do that time and time again. Just drag the widgets down into your sidebar in your back office, and you'll be able to put whatever you want. So I hope that's clear. I'm going to publish this video now and send it off to you, mate. See you later. Bye bye.